Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody, wherever you are. Welcome back to Age of Engineering. Okay, so yesterday I actually finished. Well, there is one recipe to put in. The bronze one is actually needs a bit touching, but it's mostly finished. The Empower is finished. So I tested it, and it's not working properly all the time. There is a reason for it. The reason is that when the things finish, the recipe finishes, this system here is checking only one stand to see whether what is the next recipe. And so when it finishes, it should not be able to put anything anywhere before this first stand here gets the first item. And that is the only place where where it puts the first item, but and the other ones will then follow. So there cannot be a situation where there is item here and there is no item here. In that case, the system will stop completely working. What happens though is when the recipe finishes, and a new item appears in the middle, and the other stands will become empty. There is a brief moment in Minecraft that it doesn't realize that this stand has become empty, and it thinks there is still this thing in there and it can put new things. So it puts a new thing here. It doesn't realize that this stand is empty, and what will happen is after a brief moment this stand finally will update its status to be empty, and the other guy now has an item which it cannot have before this stand. So therefore the system it halts there. So there is a fix. There is a fix for that, but this fix is not an easy fix. That is not an easy fix because it just takes a lot of more variable cards and then time. But we're gonna get started and see how long it's actually gonna take. I have no idea. So let's just get started with it. So for the moment, we'll get up this crate again, as we're gonna need it here. And we're gonna make some lists and stuff with the variable cards, and we program the first layer and see if that works properly, and then we're just gonna do it for all layers. I have to do a list. Actually, I have to count. There's already the lists already exist here, the ones that I need. It's a list of these item cards. So I have to count in this list. I have to count for each kind of item that is in the recipe. For example, a rose red and odd item, that I have to count it and add it all up. And if it's exactly 0, then give a signal and stop putting things in. Otherwise, if it's exactly 0, if it isn't exactly 0, that means there is an item from that list, and that means that you can put things in, and the system should start working like this without checking only one stand, instead checking all the stands at the altar in the middle as well. Hey there. Hey, I'm alright. You made it? What do you mean? Made it to like here in the morning, or I was thinking about if we play together, there's a ton of things I tweaked in, not a ton, but quite a few things that I tweaked. And if you want, then we can go over the things that I tweaked, so we can synchronize the Minecrafts. There are some changes are very important, and some changes are less important. Some changes I made are complete bug fixes. Can you imagine? I was running into a problem where the world was crashing when I was traveling around. It was crashing very often and easily. So I went into Google and did a bit of research, and I found out there is some setting where the FTP library junk loading mechanism is not giving enough juice for the system to chew or whatever. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah. There is nobody else to talk to right now. Because you know what I'm doing the past 3 days is insanely boring to watch. You know, it's like this thing. It's a mundane task what I've been doing, and even now I still have to tinker with it. Don't feel sad. It's my own choice, you know. It's like if I wanted to make better content, I maybe would, you know, not do this kind of project, you know. But right now I don't really care so much. I just you know, kind of wanna enjoy whatever I'm doing. And when this is done, when I'm done enjoying that, then I will start to think about, like, okay, now what should we do that is actually exciting to watch, and what should, you know, bring more watchers and stuff like this. Right now I just really don't, you know, I haven't put much interest or care into it. I'm just like, okay, I know this project's gonna take 2 days and nobody's gonna watch it because it's boring, and I'm just, okay, nevertheless I want to do it. But yeah, it's all right. It's all right. Yeah, yesterday I just, you know, I finished this thing here. It was like 2 or 3 days of very mundane tasks to do. Like building these towers was very mundane, and setting up all the settings. You have to settings here. You have to click each one of them. Oh man. This for 2 days, and then. Let everyone join. Yeah, I guess that would be probably, you know, could be more exciting to watch. You know, there are more people, and you know, something going on, and yeah, probably, you know, this project of this scale, this is the, I'm never gonna do this kind of thing again. It's not built for that. This Empower this is bollocks. You actually need computer craft or something, that, because this is like binary programming, pretty much, like kind of like it's like making a redstone clock or something stupid like that, you know. I don't mind joining you, but if you want, tell me when you're ready. I will go over the changes I made. Tell me when you're ready. I will then show you the changes I made to the, because it's our versions of that thing are not compatible, I think, maybe. So which version are you on, first of all? Let me check here. I will switch the OBS to show the desktop so you can see everything I do. So I have 1.03 version. What version do you have? If you open the Twitch launcher, it shows there the version 1.10. Okay, so you have higher version. Well, I haven't updated my version because I'm afraid that I will lose my settings. That were important. The important setting changes that I made. So I'll see. Maybe maybe I'll make a copy of the world or something. I don't know if you can downgrade or not. Not sure. And what have they even changed in the higher version? I wonder. Probably just more some mods updates or something. Like I can probably upgrade then, but I would have to see exactly what it downloads. I didn't want to press this button and, you know, be lost. Okay, anyway, there is a... Okay, let me know what the result of that is. After that, let me know when you're ready to see the other changes. Okay, you can. Alright. Okay. I'm using 1.03. And then the changes, I'm gonna show you the changes now. So I have installed, let's see if there's anything in update. I'm not sure. What is this then? User, I'm just checking, I'm not sure there is anything. User app, what is this? App data, local or whatever. Local roaming, I think it was roaming.minecraft. Launcher profiles, versions. There is nothing here. See persistent, yeah, nothing here. So this app data folder for me is nothing pretty much. Where I have installed my Minecraft this year, games and Minecraft. Okay, instances, Age of Engineering. No, let's see what I have changed here. There are some things. Okay, let me see if I... The first folder, what do we have here? Options, this no. Yeah, nothing here. I don't think I changed anything here. I have edited some things. Let's go to... Let's see first all the folders here. Config folder. I have done something there. And there's... Okay. So, in config folder... I think... can I... I might need to send you maybe some configuration files that I've changed. It's easier this way. Like I have Discord, for example. I'm not sure I can send you over Discord or how that exactly works. How does it work? Can I send you over the Twitch launcher, or how is that? Browse, we put browse here. What can I do here? There's a call button. Files. What is this? Add file types. Couldn't find anything. What is that? There's an attachment thing here. I can send you files, I think, over this launcher. Okay, so let's see what I might have done here. Apply the logistics 2. I did change it to not use the freaking channels. This is quite significant, but you know, I mean, having channels would make it more like challenging. But you know, I create my own challenges, but I don't know. I just wanted to use the conduits, and I was feeling that having channels as well would screw that, you know. So where was that setting? I don't remember. Is it here? Let me see quickly. Channels, network features, channels false. So that's the only thing I changed here. You can either I can send you this file, or you can change it yourself. It's applied in Logistics 2 CFG. Search for channels, network features, channels is false. That's the only thing I changed there. Okay. Let me see, can I drag and drop here? Is that a thing? Upload. By the way, we could probably okay, we could probably use Discord or something. Maybe it's easier. Good. Let me. You said you have Discord, right? I'm not sure when I use this one here. Is that good? Is that call even good or what? We can try it out. Never use the Twitch thing. This call. Okay, pros for you. Interesting. I don't see no frame losses or anything. Seems okay here. Frame loss. Frame is drop frame 0. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay. Okay. Second version of it. Okay, I see. Do you wanna use the call thing here to communicate? You have mic. If you do the call, then you have to mute my stream. Otherwise, you're gonna hear me twice at different times as well. Can't edit. 105. Darn. Just tell me if you wanna do the call thing. We'll do that. We'll be muted and we'll unmute myself later. Okay, okay, that's fine. In that case, you will hear my response faster, I think. Or if you wanna have, it's up to you, really. It's up to you. Actually, you know what? No, let's not do the call, because you will see things that I do, you know, at the same time as I. It's fine. It's fine because you have to see the things that I'm doing at this time as I'm talking, because otherwise you will hear me talking about like some configuration file, and then you look at the stream and you see it like 10 seconds later what I just talked about. So that is actually that is actually an issue. If you're not watching my stream and we're playing together, then it's different. Yeah, okay, that's fine. You know what? So let's see. I'm gonna make a list myself as well of all the changes I made. I'm gonna make a folder here and what did I do? Oh, stop that. Make a folder here so that even if I upgrade the version, I can still copy the things over that I need. So that is the changes that I made, and make this window a bit smaller. Like put the thing here as well, like so later on I can copy paste it. So applied energistics 2 was one of the things I changed. Then boom, put this there, it's copied. So let's see the other things. The other things that I changed. Configuration. Okay. What else did I change? Calculator, did I change anything there? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Blacklist, nothing. Achieve a custom main menu, deep resonance, Ender core. What is Ender core? I don't think I done anything here. Just gonna quickly see this configuration file. Did I check it or not? With the crop set it to conjugation from being clickable. What is this? Auto smelt enchant to be registered. I don't think I used that at all. It was only with shift and the debug mode. Durability of item tooltips. Yeah, I don't think I... No, nothing here. I did change something in Ender.io. What did I change here? This Ender.io. I don't think any other enchanter, no. Alloy smelter, no. All the other are things. Powered spawner. I changed powered spawner, but not in this. I don't think I'm changing this file. Let me see. JSON files. Receipt sag mill, no, nothing there. Let me quickly check this file here. Is it even editable file? It is. Core file. No, nothing here. What else? What is this thing? Nothing here. I did change things in Ender.io. First off, I changed nothing specific, nothing very hard. Just I changed the spawner. I changed the spawner to spawn things for 10,000 blocks away, or that means the powered spawner is gonna work wherever you are. But it doesn't seem to work anyway, so it doesn't even matter that I changed it. I just changed the spawner. So I think that's the only thing I changed there, really. So that one also goes to here. I'm gonna send you as well. Boom, upload. So that was the thing from Ender.io, configuration change. Then I changed MP utils. Was it this one or what? What is this? No. No, not this one. Nothing here. Add-ons. What is this add-ons? I don't think I changed this one at all. It was the FTP lib. Okay, nothing here. Definitely nothing. What else do we have here? Actual editions. I don't remember changing anything here. Let's quickly have a look here. Okay. They're talking about recipes. I definitely didn't change any recipes at all. Actual editions, I changed one number yesterday, but it didn't even help me at all, to be honest. The item entity refresh rate or something. Food crafting, no. Recipes for items, no. Nothing here. Values for machines, nothing here. Mob drops, nothing here. Everything else, advanced info. Okay. Ring crafting, no. Tool values, no. World gen, no. Where's the thing for actual editions that I changed in game? I changed the value to do it every tick instead of every 5 ticks. Was the entity or something? Let's see if that's here or what. F entity. Where do we have word entity? Okay, not that one. Oh yeah, update interval. The amount of ticks waited before the tile entity sends an additional update to the client. That was number 5 here, because my system wasn't working quite well, which I explained that it just didn't update, that the thing had disappeared from the stand. Sends additional update to the client. Let's change that to, I don't know, back to 5. It was 5, now it's 5 again, so there should be no other changes here. So actual additions, Cyclops core, I don't remember. Yeah, tell me. For chunk loading. Might have been one of the files. 110. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. Let's get the settings files. Let's get the settings files done with. Let me see. I changed the Forge chunk loading thing somewhere. General disable. No, what is this? File entities. Bounding box loader. Where is this? No, nothing here. Actually, nothing here. I didn't change this file. It might have been the chunk loading file itself. Okay, I'm just trying to remember where I changed things. I changed things here. This file. This was crashing my game and I gave it a lot more. Maximum chunks per ticket was 20, I gave it 100. Maximum ticket count was like 200, I gave 800. Player ticket count, I just put like a huge number here. And it stopped crashing for me. So that is very important change. For chunk loading. That needs to be definitely changed. It's pretty much a bug fix. I think everything else I didn't touch. I added Optifine. I'm gonna give you this as well. I'm not sure whether this Optifine actually gonna work with the new version. Immersive. Everything else. Inventory tweaks. I added as well, but you don't need this configuration. I don't think so. It's automatically gonna create it for you. Mouse tweaks inventory. Mouse tweaks is what I added. I think everything else I didn't touch. So source deconstruct. Yeah. So that should be all good. Let's quickly have a look into. We were in the config folder. There is another folder here. Ender.io folder. Okay, nothing here. Dimensional transceiver. Didn't I change that to? I changed this. Is it's in Ender.io config. So that's actually fine. The dimensional transceiver is losing 10% power. I changed this to lose 0%. Because the recipe for dimensional transceiver is ridiculously hard to make, and I don't think it's fair to lose 10% over that. What else do we have here?
No matter how big your loads are,
Close the stream randomly? Oh, okay, that's fine.
2-litre bottles of Aerial Bio are now
No problem.
£12.19, and 960 millilitre bottles of Comfort Intense are now £2.65. Aerial Bio was £10.49. Comfort Intense was £5.45. See participating stores for details. Variety of stock on the 3rd of October.
Okay, you back? Tell me when you're back. There is a very important change I made. Okay, these are configs. Okay, so very important change that I made here is local. Folder is local, and we have here FTPO. I don't remember which one was it. Let's quickly check here. Okay, nothing here. It was not this file. FTBL JSON. What about this one? No, not this one. Okay, so there's another folder, FTBO, and there is a. Let's make this folder here as well. FTBO. There is a thing called config JSON, or was it ranks? Probably ranks. Okay. Here, this file, I put this number here, 1000. So in game, if I show you in game, if you press E, and you can press claim chunks, and you have number here. Initially, this number was 50, so I could claim and load only 50 chunks. That was definitely not what I needed for my base size here. So I gave myself ability to load and claim and load 1000 chunks, so that I could build big machines. So that is the ranks JSON. Ranks JSON needs to be there. Control C, FTBU, Control V. What? Why is it not going? Control V. Okay, so it's local FTBU ranks JSON. So that is the file. I'll give it to you here as well. Don't have the local file for the. Okay, so the server, wherever the file is, the banks thing, don't have the local. Is the local is the folder. HM Engineering local is folder FTBU. But if you're making a server, maybe this file goes somewhere else. I'm not sure. But that was very important, because you can't really do anything. What? You can't really do anything. Okay, you don't have it. Yeah, then maybe you have server or something. I'm not sure then. But this this FTBU is the last folder where it has the ranks JSON there. One more thing before we do that is mods. I'm gonna give you some mods that I shader packs. I don't think I have any shader packs, just the mods. Okay, let me think what I upgraded and what I didn't. Integrated tunnels. Let's see here. Where's the? How can I go up? Just let me. What? Changes. Okay. Mods. So one of the mods I added was integrated tunnels. What? Because it's open in Java. Platform SC binary. I just want to copy it. I don't want to move it. Why it's trying to move it? Copy, paste. Okay. Integrated tunnels might need a different version, but I think that's one of the things. Yeah, the dragging is moving, man. Yeah, I know. It used to be copy, I think, the dragging. Inventory tweaks, mouse tweaks. Mechanism, modern mode tweak. Mouse tweaks. Control C. You can drag here though. Mouse tweaks. Let's see. Optifine, obviously. Yeah, that's all, I think. Let me quickly have a look. I don't think I did anything else. Okay. I think that's all. So I could update. I'm thinking, how can I manually make the backup? Permission to use this command. Never mind then. Okay, so let me think here. I should have all the things. Instance Age of Engineering. Make sure that I didn't move the configuration files before. Mod configs. Applied logistics. Applied logistics 2. Yep, that is there. Ender IO. Ender IO is a folder. Ender IO CFG is there. For chunk loading. Forge chunk loading is here, so good. I didn't move those things. And this one, local FTBO, local FTBO config. Yeah, that's all good. Okay. I will download the new version. Just a moment. Give me just a moment. I want to make sure that I don't lose my progress here. Instances. Where does it make that on copies of the things? Isn't it like... I'm gonna copy the whole folder. Instances, Age of Engineering. Make a copy of that. So then I will update and paste the freaking things, and we'll see whether this, for example, when I update, I'm not sure this Optifine version is gonna work, so we might have to update those some mods, but the configuration files should work as they are. And yeah, for the server you must find this FTB leap thing where you can chunk load more chunks. It's necessary. 50 is too little. Okay. We'll make a new file. Okay. Well, I have here Age of Engineering copy now. So we're gonna change this. AOE copy. Boom. So I can't risk it if it doesn't work this way, you know. So to make sure that I have the copy anyways. I know you said it already, but I just wanted to make absolutely sure it's gonna do that. Okay, this guy here is showing up. I don't really like it showing up because I don't know which one is which now. View profile. Does it show here? Open folder. Copy. This is the copy one. So how can I change the name here? Let me delay profile, export, duplicate, profile options. Name is copy. Okay. Where is it showing that the name? Darn. Oh, it's here, AOE copy. That's where it shows. Okay. So now I wanna upgrade this one here, Age of Engineering. The copy is there. I wish I could change the picture of the copy to be something else. Could I do it? Profile options. There is no option for the picture change. Okay, never mind. Let the picture be. Whatever. Okay, let's see then. 110. Change log. Updated mods including custom achievements. Okay. Blacklist forge power in mechanism. Okay. Remove slime ball conversion. Okay. Remove carbon dust to coal block recipe. Okay. Update to new profile. Let's just do without updating. Well, because now it's creating the separate folder. If I do update, then it's probably gonna replace this one there. So I'd like it to actually make the separate folder if it can. So close this guy. Don't need this window. Have a look here. What do we have? We have the copy, Age of Engineering. It's probably replacing this. I'm not sure. Let's see. It's already doing. It's no point of pressing cancel now. It's halfway done. It's alright. Everything's good. I already have a copy, so it doesn't, you know, it's fine. The copy is there. The copy is not touching. It's not touching the copy. It's overwriting this one. It's fine. Let it do that then. That's the reason I made the copy. That's fine. Yeah, I think it's overwriting. It's fine. Let it overwrite. We're gonna, once it's done, I'm gonna check whether it correctly overwrote everything, and I'm gonna then put this the thing. It's so strange how this program works. Mods. Browse. So it doesn't make a tab or anything for the chat window. You can't really add a chat program and then some game program and put it all together into one stew, you know. It's not a good stew. Maybe you can, but not this way. Because the chat window should be available at all times, regardless of what I'm doing in the program, isn't it? Like I have to go to browse, then I have to click, you know, find your name again, click here, then it opens the chat window. And if I go here, then the chat window is only open in the other computer, really. Okay, is it done now? I think it's done. It's done updating or doing that things. So let's go here into that folder and see what it did. First one. Let's see if it replaced all the things. Yeah, ranks, JSON, edit with Notepad. No, it hasn't changed. It hasn't changed the settings file for me at all. What did it do then? Okay, mods. For example, I had the Optifine. Yeah, it's still here. Maybe it just overwrote some of the files and didn't touch the other ones, all the settings and everything I had. So I don't have to. I don't have to do anything with this changes folder. Just leave it here. Actually, move it here. So it should all actually work. Hopefully you have the same settings. Okay. Yeah, where else could it have gone, right? It's definitely is here, this one. Yeah, let's see. Let's try and launch it. See what happens. So this is the copy, this is the 1.1.10. Play. What will happen? Is it compatible? I think Minecraft version is still the same in it. It is, isn't it? I don't know. Doesn't say yet. If the Minecraft version is still the same version, then all the mods will work. Otherwise I might have to like update Optifine or something. But Optifine is mandatory, man. You can't play it without Optifine, in my opinion. It's ridiculous. The kind of lag you're getting is beyond measure if you don't have Optifine. I think it hasn't crashed yet, so I think it's going.
Indeed.com makes it easy. Easy to post a job, easy to manage candidates, easy to get help. How easy is that? Post your next job on Indeed, the UK's #1 job site.
That version installed. Paste mods again. Okay.
Claim your £50 credit at Indeed.com/redeem.
So yeah, before you launch the game, make sure you paste my files that I sent, you have to find this local folder or where FTPO folder. Maybe it's somewhere else, but this ranks JSON, I'm not sure whether it's gonna work if you don't find it. These two lines there. Okay. Oh, you found it. Great, great. Okay, let's put the OBS back to Minecraft. Ah, it creates the folder when you launch it, I see. Might be. Okay, let me quickly check if my single player world is still working. Should be all good. Yeah, Minecraft is same 1.10.2. It's the same version of Minecraft, so everything should be fine. Loader detected missing blocks item. There are two missing blocks and items in this save. Missing blocks, chisel, test block. If you continue, the missing blocks items will get removed. A word backup will be automatically created in your saves directory. Test block is missing. Okay, that's fine. Somebody was testing something. Okay. Oh man. Why did it change the Ender IO config? This thing I changed. It's still okay. Other things here. Okay, that setting is fine. It has put this config, changed this. I need to put this config back. I don't like this showing. Ugh. Okay, okay, let me log out here. Where to place the folders. Okay, just a moment, just give me a moment. Give you the visual again. So let's start and put all the changes. So we have files here. So let's overpaste them just in case. Yeah, okay then. So first thing, the configuration files, Applied Energistics 2, Ender IO, CFG, and Force Chunk Loading. These go. Let me open another folder here. Okay. Why did it open two of them? I don't know. So games, Minecraft, instances, and age. What is this downloads thing anyway? I don't know. Instances, Age of Engineering, config is the folder I'm looking at now. Let me make this one smaller. So this is the folder here. Okay, the CFG files, 3 of them. They go into the configuration. Applied Energistics actually goes here in this folder. Applied Energistics 2. And this guy goes here. And replace. Did you find that Applied Energistics one? Next one is Ender IO. Ender IO goes to config Ender IO folder. So here, Control V, replace. And Forge Chunk Loading goes simply here, I believe. Yep, Forge Chunk Loading goes here, replace. Okay, so 3 configurations, 3 replaces. Okay, if you're done with that, then let's move on to the next ones. The mods. I think the mods are fine. Don't need to touch the mods folder. Let me quickly check though. Integrated tunnels is here. Then we have mouse tweaks. Yeah, is here. Optifine, define. Yeah, nothing to do with the mods folder. That's fine. I'm gonna skip those ones, or you can put them mods in the mods folder if you haven't done this so far. Like the jar files, integrated tunnels, mouse tweaks, and Optifine. These 3 files go into mods folder. So let me know when you've done that as well. Okay, okay. So next thing is this local folder. Did you, if you found it, it's local folder. Inside of that folder is FTBU folder, and then you have to put into this folder the last one. If you want to use the microphone, sure, because there's no point in calling if you don't use the microphone. Okay, so this one is done. Yeah, the ranks JSON is done. Okay, so total it should be 6 files you replaced. 6 replaces. The configurations, 3 of them, and the mods. I mean, the mods weren't replaces if you didn't have them. Did everything. Okay, good. So let me launch this again and see if the settings took effect. 1110. Launch this one. Okay, you will hear me too late. Okay, there. Okay. True. Just hold on a little bit. Let's first try and get into game, and then we'll do the call thing. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It will take some little time to get this thing launched. And I want to first quickly check my world to see that this huge box is not showing up again. It was the Ender.io config. It's basically, there's a teleportation pad which acts as if it was an anchor pad or something, and it shows up on the screen when you hold a wand or staff in your hand. It looks terrible. So I changed this configuration that it doesn't show up in the screen, and it doesn't work as a travel anchor. So when I hold the staff in my hand, there is not a big box on my screen all of the time. Okay, let's see. Controller. Well, I didn't have a controller. Why is it talking about the controller in this save? What? Sure. I didn't have the controller here anyway. Let's see what it did. Did I load the wrong version? What happened? I deleted the controller a long time ago. I don't know why it's complaining about the controller. Maybe it was in the settings file or something. Don't know. I'm actually in the right spot. Like this guy now is not showing up. Good. Man. Huh. The controller used to be like here, so it shouldn't complain about it at all. So yep. Save is correct. Everything is here. And this box is not showing up on my screen. Good. Good. So everything's loading and works. Let me know when it's loaded up for you, and we'll see if we can somehow I never done the server thing before, so I don't know even how it works exactly. I see. Okay. Okay, that's how you do that. Okay. Direct connect. Fatally missing blocks. Really? Just click yes. It's fine. Fatally missing blocks and items. Back to server list. Okay. I don't know then. I don't know then. What could be fatally missing?
No matter how big your loads are, you can get a load off with the half-price deals. 2-litre bottles of
Multiplayer. What about add server? What about I try to create a server? Server address. Okay. Resource packs prompt enabled, disabled prompt. Okay. Now what? Minecraft server. Can't resolve host name. That doesn't matter. Failed to connect to server. Back to server list. Edit. Server name, server address. 127.0.0.1 is the local host. You need to download something to run like server? I think so as well. Can't resolve host name. Okay. Because it doesn't seem to make a server even like that. Add a server. The server thing, it doesn't make a server. It just, you can add a server as a pretty much a connection. No? Like when you add server, it doesn't make a server. It just makes a connection. If I click refresh here, for example, scanning for games on your local network. Can't connect to server. So click here, edit, right? Server address, it should work. So it just, yeah. I don't think it's because we have other mods. Sure, give me a link. And what is it, this thing that we need? I'd like to read up on it as well, just to educate myself. This link doesn't work. Virtual private networking. I see what it is. What we need is you need to be able to configure your modem to actually forward the things, but a VPN could probably. I don't know if I want to VPN. Darn, man. LAN-like networks. Okay, I will put this virtual private network then. This will, yeah, this should work. But the thing is that even so, without having virtual private network installed, if you go to multiplayer and you're gonna make a server. Did you make a server from here with add server? Did you run actually a server application for Minecraft? Like if you add a server, it has to work anyway, even if you put localhost here. Like this one has to work. Can't connect to server. You ran a server application, okay then. Okay then. So you have a different application running to make a server. Yeah, okay, fine. Let's make the private network then. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. I'm just installing it, give me a moment. Okay. When you install it, make sure you untick the last pass thing. It's just additional software you don't need, probably. Okay. Let's launch it then. Okay, power on button to get started. Just delete the installation file. Must sign up. Really? Ugh, man. Why register? Network management administration, improve communication support. Man. Doesn't it work without it? No, you are now online, but this computer is not yet a member in a... I don't want to be a member in a network. Screw that. What else? Jeez Louise, man. Okay, create a new network, join an existing network. So if I click join an existing, there is a network ID and password. Create the new network, ID, password. I don't think you need to be part of this, whatever it is, this thing there. You don't have to join them. Just close the thing. Like when it offers you to become log in or whatever, just close the thing. Darn. Login error. Sign up or log in to continue using. That's stupid. I'm not gonna log into them. Let's find a different VPN software. I'm gonna uninstall this one. I absolutely don't like them to force me to use the login or join the network or whatever. I don't like that. Where's the control panel? Yeah, let me find. Where is the darn control panel in this Windows, man? I think you can access it from Task Manager, can't you? While no. Yeah, we need VPN, but let me find a better one. Okay, let me quickly find the folder here. Where's that darn thing? VPN. Uninstall it. Remove all user settings. This is completely unnecessary. No need to be part of any kind of network. Signed in, like, you know, they're gonna get your email address. They can send you stuff and shit. So I don't want that. So yeah, let me quickly have a look here. What the options are. Make sure that this program is completely gone as well. Yeah, that's gone. Okay, let's have a look then. What VPN software could we get? Free VPN. I think I'm not showing the desktop right now because I'm worried because of the IP you gave me before. That I'm worried that certainly I don't show it anywhere. But don't scroll up, then it will be fine, I think. Let me see here. But okay, it's not showing here. It's not showing here. If I click here, okay, it doesn't show there. All right, I think we're good. And with a VPN, I can show accidentally my own IP as well when I'm installing it. It should be fine though. So let's see here. Free VPN. What do we have here? Let's see. VPN service, super fast, extremely reliable, perfect for streaming, ultra secure, encrypted browsing for total privacy, super fast access to Netflix tested, fastest VPN. Okay. 90 plus countries, customer support, live chat, visit site perhaps. ExpressVPN. Money back. What? I was looking for like free one. Account. I don't want to make an account, you guys. I'm not gonna give you. Oh, no. No. Jeez Louise. Money back, money back. They're all talking about money. I was looking for free one, and it's all it gives me is the ones that take money. How funny is that? Seriously, man. These are the ad. I'm not gonna click the ads. Probably not a good idea. Let's take the next one. Tech Radar. I want an independent thing. Suggester. Okay, there are various reasons, so it tells you what you can do. Okay. Okay then. So what do we have here? Free VPN. Why is it showing money here again? Tunnel Bear. I just want the one that doesn't ask me for email or whatever. Deck Radar, you go away. Nee, okay. Clawback is only privacy with Tunnel Bear. Okay. Pricing. Why is there pricing here? Little. 500 megabytes of free data every month. No. We can test with a 500 megabyte one, but man, is there really? I could open the port. Okay, how do you make the server? What kind of software do you need?
It's your chance to rock to a different rhythm on a Caribbean beach, or book your place next to the some pool party goers in legendary Las Vegas. Even touchdown on the rolling streets of San Francisco before
hosting.
down the West Coast. Book now and fly in style to some of the best places in the world with our worldwide sale. Virgin Atlantic, let it fly. Travel restrictions and T&Cs apply. Visit virginatlantic.com to book.
Okay, what is this then? Start a Minecraft server. And Sticky Piston. Minecraft Sticky Piston server. Only microserver hosting USA UK. Okay. So take care of the technical side, mobile upgrades, custom mod packs, plugin installs, and bird fixes. Okay, how does it work then? With the hosting, friends and family. Okay. Mod packs 48. Goes down. Trial sticky piston. Trial. Okay. Trial sticky piston. Okay. Maps and minigame. Blah 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 blah. Choose server location. Okay. So let's see how does it exactly work. Version 1.10.2. Category. SP and MP. Okay, maps and mini games. What is this here? Game Adventure Realms, blah blah blah. Minecraft. Let's go to here. Trials. This one, snapshot plugin packs are coming soon. Mod packs. Okay. 6-hour trial. So let's see if I click here, what does it exactly do here? Start server now. Start question start. Okay. Okay. Is that what you do? Because that means that it has to be. No, sticky piston is not what I need here. This VPN, let's forget about the VPN as well. Minecraft server setup. Terminal, grant execute permissions. We're gonna set up a server because this one there is not gonna work for us. Using the default server software, this is free of charge. Software may be installed on most operating systems, including Windows, blah blah blah. Okay. Take some time and some technical knowledge. Don't set up a server unless you have the basic computer and networking abilities. To go on the internet for the guide on how to set up a server. No, it is not the only way. There is a better way. The way is that I run a program. I open a port in the router, and I give you my IP address, and you can connect to me. That is the better way of doing it. Using the server software from Mojang. To be a high-end machine, notebooks don't usually make good server machines. Low-end hardware and better input-output performance. Hosting and playing on the same machine is also possible if your computer is powerful enough. And may players in a wireless network. Not recommended. Okay. Okay, so running server software on the computer without clear understanding what you're doing may. Okay, yes, I understand. Okay. Using command line editing configuration files. Stay out of trouble. Don't get with you. Okay, I know that. I know how to do that. Yes, no problem. No problem. Router configuration, no problem. Windows instructions. Okay, starting the Minecraft server. Begin by downloading the server software. Server is available jar file. Before starting the server, be aware that whenever you run the server from, it will create several configuration files in that location. It's better to create a dedicated folder for your server and run from inside that folder. You to collect, organize all the files. While the server shoots the file and the server should start, it will write configuration files. Operation you have. Okay. What configuration do we have? We have an executable version run from the Windows command. Okay. Okay. Okay, you know what? Number one, I'm gonna download this server. I'm gonna try and make a local network server with that. If I can get that working, then it's easy to make it public. You can't use mods on it? I'm sure you can. I'm sure you can. Let's download it first and then see. Okay, been downloading the server software from the Minecraft download page. Okay, please note the server is only completed Minecraft for PC. But certain things you get them some involved. Okay. First, make sure you use Java from the command line. You can use Java, Linux, blah blah blah. Download and run with the following command: Minecraft server, and run it with the following command. Okay. To start the server with a graphical user interface. No give apart. Okay. Okay, so I need a version. Download different version. Minecraft server 1.10.2 is what I'm gonna need. Minecraft 1.10.2 10.2 Forge. Will it be the Forge I need? Let's Forge server. So there's also Forge server. How does that work? The Forge MC blah 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 blah. Let's have a quick look here. Tutorial setting up Minecraft Forge server. Okay, let's see here. Forge installer. Okay. Once downloaded, launch it and choose option install server. Vanilla Minecraft server and then run Forge installer. Vanilla server can be found in the repository, but you will need to manually construct its file name. Okay. Received some text message here. Something I have to do in the evening, but not now. Okay, setting up this HM Engineering server could be a little bit of a task, but let's see here. Forge installer. Server failing with E-tag. Install vanilla Minecraft server and then run Forge installer. The vanilla server can be found in the repository, but you will need to manually construct its file name. Just replace version numbers with versions you need. Okay, vanilla server. Once you launched vanilla server, install Forge and you're done. You can launch Forge server by double clicking Forge version universal or using the command below. Okay, it's still I need vanilla server program, even if I'm using the Forge. So yeah, let's see Minecraft server 1.10.2 and see MC versions net. What do we have here? Latest release, stable release. Easiest way to find Minecraft versions. I need a server, client server. Okay, there it is. 1.10.2 server jar. What is this great server? What does it do? It's host. No, I don't need hosting. I wanna first create server and then gonna host it myself. Okay, let's get this server jar and then go back to keep. Okay, now we're gonna have a look how we do that. So this page I can probably close. So first off is download. Before starting the server, be aware that where you run the server from will create several configuration files in that location, dedicated folder for your server. And from the inside that folder to locate, organize all the files. Okay, let's take the file. Where is it? Server, and run it from somewhere. Okay, let's put it here. See what happens. Do I have to use a command prompt to run it or what? File to server should start. It will write configured files in the folder and quit immediately. Okay, let's do that then. The server ran. Okay, server properties. It made the server properties file. Okay, so next logs, EULA logs. Okay, next, let's see. Double click the file and the first and required configuration to do is the EULA. A text file called EULA is created. Open this file, edit and change the line. EULA is false to EULA is true. Okay, EULA is true. True. Okay, setting you are indicating your agreement to EULA. Okay. You launched the thing. Yeah, let me do this as well. Let me do this as well, because I don't wanna use VPN. I wanna use port forwarding. So let's continue. Launched it. EULA is true. It signals that you have read and understood the user license agreement, that you follow the using software, such as scan serve. Okay, configuring from the command line. Okay, let's run this again, I guess, and see what will happen. Okay, let's see what will happen. What will happen and what does it do? Does it run the vanilla or does it actually preparing spawn area? It runs, I think it runs vanilla then. Let's see here. Okay, starting Minecraft server version, exception handling console input. Okay. What is this? Launch it as. Okay. Loading properties. Default game type survival. Channel type failed to load. User ban list. Okay. Ban players. Ban IPS. OPS. What is this? Can find the file specified. Whitelist. Okay. Preparing level world. Start region for level 0. Okay, the server is running, but I think it's vanilla server. So I could now launch Minecraft, but I don't think it's gonna work. Like add server, local host, done. It's showing that it's there, but I don't think it's gonna. Is it gonna work with this mod pack? Let's see. Logging in. Okay. So let's see what server is showing. It should show some information. Okay, I'm in there. Okay. Memory usage very slow, very little. Okay, so do we have, like, for example, alloy smelt? Hold on. It just works like this? You serious? You can't use modded blocks. We have to make sure that we can use modded blocks then. Where can I find modded blocks here? What is easy modded block to find? I think Alabaster was one of the modded blocks, wasn't it? What could be modded recipe I could make here? Right off the gate. What is the modded recipe? I know what is the modded recipe. I know what is the. It's the Tinker's crafting table. Let's see. What did it say there? Something waiting for server. Okay. So put this here. Make the crafting table, and make it Tinker's version. You can't take it out. It doesn't allow you to do that. Okay, so how do we fix that? Now we're gonna go to Google again. Disconnect. Gonna go to Google again. Go back here. What did we have here? Join the game, can't keep up to the system, time change. What is it talking about? Achievement, lost connection. Text, component, text disconnected, siblings, blah blah blah. Okay, I just disconnected here and left the game. Okay, so now let's have a quick look. Minecraft configuring server for mods. Server config mods. Set up Minecraft server mods. So how do we do that? I think this whole thing is Forge. Like it's here, powered by Forge, right? So how do we do the Forge server is probably the next search we have to do. So Minecraft Forge server hosting. Server maybe guide or something. Okay, okay, let's have a look here. Documentation, installing SpongeForge. I don't know. In-game LAN server, dedicated server. We already have Forge server. Just put the Sponge mod. No, I don't need no Sponge mod. Forge website. Show all downloads. Let's go to Forge website. Documentation. What do we have here? Getting started, concept block, networking. YouTube. Is this YouTube video? I usually don't wanna watch YouTube because it's easier to find the things in the text file. Material energy.
This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a server for any mod pack.
Okay, you know what? If it says any, then it's good enough for me. Let's put the music off for a moment. Okay, you can see it. So let's watch it then. See how it works.
First thing you want to do is launch the mod pack that you want to make the server of. You can find the Forge version on the title screen or in the mod options.
Okay, mod options. There is the Forge thing open there. Let's open here as well. Options. Where is it? Mods. Forge. Okay, Forge. Minecraft Forge. Config. Client. Chunk loader. Version. And the other one is Forge. Mod loader. Config. Okay. Let's see what it says here. Okay. Forge, Minecraft Forge.
Here we have Forge 10.13.4.1566. What you want to do next is you'll want to head over to forge.net.
Okay. Like that. And then probably download the, where's the video? Here it is. Let's move this video thing here.
And as you see, you have all the versions listed. You have 1.710 pack. You will choose. Now you can go ahead and download the recommended installer or the latest. But if you want to be the safest, you want to choose the exact version that you have on your mod pack.
Okay, let's do that. Exact version that I have here is 12.18.3.2422. 12. What was it? 110 is here. 110.2. Then we have 12.18. What was it? 2 something. 2422. 322422. 32 12 12.18.3 12.18.3 2422. 12.18.3 2422. The last one. Change log, installer win. I think it's suggested to get this one. Okay. Let's see here. Show all. Show in folder. Where can I do that? Okay. Let's close this server for now. Is it still open? I think it's closed. Okay. Show in folder. Next. Close that. Make sure that the number is correct here. Where's the folder? This is the folder. 18.3.2422. That is the thing. Let's continue to look the video.
That's listed in your game.
Okay.
Once you run the installer, you'll have 3 options to install the client, server, or extract.
Okay.
Now you'll want to click the install server option and select
Okay, install server. What is this Mercurius? There's already files target directory. Okay, let's continue looking. Probably you have to point where.
Select a empty folder now, and you hit OK, and it will install the server in that folder.
Okay, so we're gonna give it this folder mostly, but we're gonna say server forge, server F, and give that path for installation. See if it's happy with that or what. Boom, open. Okay, games Minecraft server F, Mercurius. What else here?
Once you open up the folder that you installed the server on, you'll see you only have 2.
Okay, so it's already finished installing, so let's do that now. Mercurius, what is Mercurius? Since it was selected, let's do that. Okay. Let's get that done. There's the installation file. And yeah, it's getting some things here. It got this server again, I guess. The vanilla one that I have in the other folder. It looks like it incorporates it in its doings. Libraries, Minecraft server. And here is just a server jar. Okay, let it finish that. First off, have to get it working in locally, and then I'll do the port forwarding, and this should be all good. Download the microserver, download the 19 libraries, and install Forge. Okay then. Okay. Excuse me. Delete this and this log here, and open this folder and see what we have.
Files in a folder. Now you're going to need some folders from the mod pack that you're trying to make a server of. The easiest way to find where this directory is if you open up your Minecraft, you go into the options, resource packs, and then open resource pack folder. Now you can go up to your directory. Now there are several folders here you're going to have to look out for. For sure, you need config and mods. However, if the pack uses MineTweaker, you're going to also need the folder called scripts.
Okay. So let's open another window and go into Minecraft here. Games, Minecraft, to instances, Age of Engineering. It said that I need config, I need mods for sure, and I need scripts. So these guys already gonna go somewhere. We don't know where yet. Let's continue to look.
So you simply take your 3 folders, config, mod, scripts, and you copy them over into the directory of your server.
Okay, so it's the main directory there. So these guys copy into the main directory. Okay, doing that. That is done. What next?
Now if the mod pack starts with a world, you can create a single player world, take that over from your saves, and rename that as world in your server directory. Once you
Hold on, what did it say? That I can transport my world there?
directory.
Hold on.
World in your server directory.
Okay.
Saves and rename, create a single player world, take that over from your saves and rename that as world. With a world, and you copy them over into the directory of your server. Now, if the mod pack starts with a world.
Okay, that's actually possible.
You can create a single player world, take that over from your saves, and rename that as world.
You can take it from your saves and rename it as a world. Let's not do that for the time being, but at least I know that it should be an option then. If you want a custom world, but let's say that my world is custom world, right? Like which I've been playing, but you know, it would be interesting to see if that was possible to do. That would be quite funny to see you running around in my world. I guess it's the only location here is this world, and the engineering is the world name, and if I right click it, it's 429 megabytes, and I'm not sure when you log in is it gonna download it all. So maybe we don't do that. Let's not do that, but let's continue with the video here.
Your server directory. Once you have all your files, you can go ahead and...
Oh, hold on, what else? Libraries, config, libraries, mods and scripts. Libraries already there, right? Okay, close this window now. Libraries already here, okay.
And run the forge. This will start up the server and...
Okay, I have configuration files, mods and scripts are here. Now we start this guy. Make sure that I actually don't think I need to reload this client. The client is fine, I guess. Multiplayer, this server is not running at the moment. Let's go completely delete it. It's the vanilla one. Okay, let's launch it, see what will happen here. And what will happen? We don't know. Something happening. Or what? Okay, it looks very similar. Memory usage definitely is higher. I would like to make this window black instead of white. I always imagine this kind of thing running like in the Linux black background. Okay, what do we have here? Server thread info, actual editions. Yeah, let's just wait and see what happens. Pre-initialization finished. I'm sure it takes longer than that. Can't be that easy. Or what? Let's change this windows a little bit. Want it to be wider. Can I not change that? I cannot drag that around. Okay. Let's see. Memory which is 246 megabytes only. I think it's... I don't know. Can I scroll here? It seems to be very slow when you want to scroll things. That's why I'm thinking, is it actually finished or it's doing something? It's still doing, yeah, it's doing something. It's doing something. We have to wait here. It cannot be finished faster than loading the client itself, you know. And how is it taking so little memory? Well, maybe the server does take little memory, and the world takes a lot of memory. Having it loaded into your memory. The blocks that you see and stuff. Okay, let's see. Let's wait here. Server, thread error, compact solar skipping event. It's the same story that you get when you load Minecraft. It will tell you the things. 70 features, chisel, sonar core. Let's just wait. Make sure that it's definitely finished loading. Let's watch the video meanwhile.
It'll crash. Now, with servers, some mods are only client-side, so copying all the mods over will cause the crash. Copying all the mods over will cause the server to crash, and will generate crash reports. However, you can easily find out which mods are crashing by looking at the crash reports and removing them.
I see. Okay, so far it's going. I don't think it's crashed. Client side, like the mouse tweaks and things, I guess. But maybe they made the server software smart, so it doesn't crash anymore, even if you have like the client side mods there. Because so far, has it tried any client side mods? I guess best bet is just to wait, see what will happen here. Sonar core, FML, base metals, applied energistics 2, standard error, thread group, uncaught exception. What is this? Security. I don't know, that's nothing to do with mods. So we have forge things here, server thread, render core, FML. What is FML? Chicken core, compact solars. I just want to see lunch wrapper. Can I search things in this log here? Forest failed to init the farm logic, forestry farming logic, farm logic rubber. Since IC2 rubber, wood, not found. Okay, whatever. Pre-init finished. Chisel, but this chisel, I think it's done. I think it's done. It hasn't put anything new there. So the last thing it loads was forestry. Let's see. Let's see, is it running or not? We're gonna see about this crash as well, if there is any crashes. I don't think there is. So multiplayer, add server, local host, done. Failed to connect. Fresh. Okay. So it's not yet showing. Don't think it's doing anything anymore, is it? I don't know. It should show average tick at least. It's not showing that either. And it's taking really hard. It's really difficult to move this cursor thing here, the scroll. I think it's still doing something then. Where does it generate those logs files? Logs, right? Logs, chunk, early startup log, server latest. Let's see. Until it seems that it's really slow, this server program at the moment. For some reason, maybe it did crash as it said. Okay.
You can look at the top of the crash report.
Micro crash report. What does it say? The crashes. Let access config libraries, mode, scripts, options. This one.
Here it says Lumium resource loader, normal resource loader. So you know.
Okay. Loader exception. Loader exception. Loader. Where's the loader thing? Class not found exception. Okay. Nice wrapper. It doesn't tell you where this file is, the crash log.
Right, crash reports. Mods over, so we'll start up the server and it'll crash. Now, with servers, some mods are only client side, so copying all the mods over will cause the crash. Copying all the mods over will cause the server to crash and will generate crash reports. However, you can easily find out which mods are crashing by looking at the crash reports and removing them.
Okay, the server program generates crash reports, which it hasn't created yet. I don't think so. Okay, it still is running, as we can see. The server is still doing stuff. Can I scroll down? Or what? Go to logs. I don't think it's finished yet. It seems that this program is really something. It's not like Minecraft, you load it's like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. This one is something. I can't even move the thing down. It's that busy. Okay, let's see then the logs. Go to logs. Latest log. What does this log look like? It's still generating this log. What is the latest by itself? How does it look like? Okay, exception handling console input. Handle is invalid. Keep space. Exception stopping the server. Okay. Out of memory. What is this? Okay. What do we see here? Errors. Is it now finished? Or what? I don't see that scroll bar or anything anymore. So, analytics. What is this? Don't know. Config libraries, logs, mod scripts. Probably the logs one has to be it. And let's check this one here. Edit with Notepad++. And what did it say here? No class def found error. No class def. Let's find no class def. Can't find the text, so that doesn't exist. What about no? Loader exception. To the beginning here. Loader exception. What? Loader exception. X with C. Exception. What? Loader. Forge mode loader. Resource loader. Loader. Oh, Lumion class loader. Find class. Okay, we have some loader things here. Loader, loader, loader. Let's look for exception. Uncaught exception. So many exceptions here. While loading config file. Okay. Not found. Exception. Okay, what we're doing wrong then? And this server thing is exception stopping the server. Java heap space memory error. Okay. So do we have to launch the server with a command prompt to make it take more memory or what? I think it's crashed now. Looks like that. Already. So you got it working? Tell me what you did. What did you do? I can't close it. The darn thing doesn't close. Close window. Nope. Just tell me what you did. I want to get it working as well. I just want to get it working on my computer as well. Let's see, can I task manager close it from here? Which one is it here? 32 bits. It's probably this one. Yep, it was this one. Boosted my RAM. So did you make a batch file here? Like to run the server with a batch file, for example, run.bat. Oh, not a folder. New text file, text document, run. Make it batch file. What is the command to make it edit? It's this guy, right? Universal boom. So this guy to be run with some tags, right? What tags do we need? Focus. Where's that thing? So Minecraft Forge server command tags. Okay. Text in the video, Java. Server start text use in the video. in the video. Hold on. To 1 GB of RAM. 1G stands for the 1 GB of RAM. So many captions and things. Ugh, I can't see. Universal. No GUI. So that guy goes where? Okay. It went to this folder here, looks like HD, very HD. Then it made a file. Notepad document made the name the enter following. Okay. Java, bum. Okay, good. So that's what we need to do here. We're gonna give it, and actually I want the graphics user interface. So we'll see. So put this here. And give it, I don't know. Well, get 4 GB. Okay, and then we're gonna put here this one. X minus jar, boom. Control V, universal dot jar. And with graphics interface, save that batch file and see if we can run that command. What will happen? Did it run or not? Edit. Let's go here. Okay, and we're gonna run. I wanna see what the issue is here. Invalid maximum heap size. The specified size exceeds the maximum representable size, with the exception. What about, I don't know, XMX 4G? Let's give it 1G then, as it was in the video. What will happen? Okay. Graphical user interface. Make that bigger. It's the same story here. I don't need this window here. I don't think so. Do I? Oh, hold on. Man. Jeez Louise. You actually need both windows open. Or you can put no graphical user interface. I want to have graphical user interface though. You can see things better. It will tell me when I logged in and, you know, these kind of things. So yeah, let's have a look at this thing here. All the text. So last time it was spending tons of time at forestry, and it kind of got stuck there. It's taking more memory. Yeah, 318. 70% 3. Okay, so that I can see here the memory usage. That's why the graphical user interface is good. I can see the memory usage and see if I have to give it more or what. So far so good. 300 megabytes. Chisel, it's working on Chisel. Forestry again. Pum, 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 pum. So that's quite exciting actually to set up something like this because it's complicated. I don't know why. Making all these network things always been quite exciting to me. Okay, 300, 500. For a moment there was 500. Loading configuration, Morpheus, more bees. And it did crash. As and now we should be able to see logs about crash. Latest chunk. I think it's FML server latest 18. Well, that was generated just a moment ago. So I think that's the one, and the crash is actually in that log. It also made a local thing here, local Mercurius, interesting. Okay. Let's go to logs and see that one here. FML. Forge mod loader probably is FML. Okay, now we're looking for information here. So what was the last thing it said? Engine was incorrect, state errored, and forced the state server stopped. Okay. Let's look for this loader exception. There are warnings here, traces, things. Red. What is this? Okay. Loader X doesn't loader exception doesn't exist. Loader. So what is the crash here? Does it say here? Server thread info, debug error, skipping event from server, stopped event and marking error with blah blah blah. So what is the last thing? Errors may have been discarded. State forced into state available. Server stop and forced into state server stops. Errors may have been discarded. State engine. What about Twitch app? Okay. Okay, let's see. Server stop translocator took 0 seconds. Translocator. Bar step, server stopped, server stopped. Server stopped. Hammer core, hopper ducts, mantle, tinkers. What? Server stopped event. Server thread, debug trace. Initialization by scripting terminal. Where does it start saying this server stop thing? Okay, here, server stopped event, server stopped event. Can't revert to frozen game data state without freezing first. Revert to frozen game data state. Injecting item stacks, item stack injection complete. Mechanism part transmitter public static net Minecraft item. Chisel. Look up chisel copied for public state. Holder lookups. Injecting item stacks injection complete. Can't revert to frozen game data state without freezing first. So that is the problem here. What is that? What is that? Missing modes, exception mode, constant bars, blah blah. So there is something else they have to look into. Need to remove the mod if others need it. Remove those. Resource loader. The mod called resource loader. There is no mod called resource loader here. Source loader. At least I don't see it even in this log. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm trying to make a server, so what can you do? So what do we have? A mods resource loader. Resource loader does exist here, but I don't see it in the in this log here. Maybe the log has to be here, right? Where could it be? Mods. Not there. Not there. Server scripts. Modpack. No. I think all the logs are here then. One, 2, and 3. What is this? What does this say? Starting, loading, stopping server. So why is it stopping the server? Can't revert to frozen game data. So where is that? Genetics can. Okay, so it says here. FML, and there is nothing, like it's not. Okay. Can't revert frozen game data. Chisel. Event to mod. Post transition. Onto the server seems to have fixed it. What? Even more memory? Is that the thing? I think everything else seems to be working here. And suddenly, from here it starts to send stopped event. And the last thing it did, holder lookups applied, injecting item stack injection complete. And all of a sudden, it doesn't say even what mode it is. It just, maybe it is the memory, maybe give it even more memory. Where was the thing here? Let's edit this. Give it like 2G here. Will that work any better? I couldn't put 4G there for some reason. Maybe there's a different line for 64-bit. Where is the 64-bit thing? Tunnel Bear, no. Nope, don't need this anymore. Okay, it should say somewhere how to run a 64-bit version. It was on one of the pages, wasn't it? Minecraft, setting up this. Okay, this one. So let's go to Minecraft server hosting guide. It said here somewhere. Okay. Add if server is on a 64-bit computer using 64-bit Java. Online modes authorized users can. Okay. D -64. Let's put that in there as well. Into this patch file here. Let's put it here. Save. Let's see if that's gonna run any better. And can I even give it more memory if necessary? It doesn't seem to have run at all now. Let's get the command prompt out. Let's go here. Boom. And edit. What will happen? What does it say? Instance does not support a 64-bit. Okay then. Unfortunately, that's not the thing. This Java instance. What about Java 64 or something? Java. Running Java 64-bit Command line. Okay, what is the command? Java, it's still Java. The system navigate to the bin folder of Java version you want to check and type Java version here. Okay. Let's try without edit this. Let's go with 2 gigabytes and see if that works for the starters. What's wrong now? Darn. Edit. What's wrong now? Couldn't could enough space? You serious, man? Command line. JVM bit JVM. Okay. So how do you 64-bit? So how do I know which do I have? Done. Control panel, please. Let's see what kind of programs I have. Java 8. Does it say here? This is update. It's not Java itself, is it? Let's see by name here. Go the other way. Java, Java, Java is the only one here. How do I know which one it is? Version 8.0 installed 31st of August, so recently. Options. What will happen? Nothing if I do that. Okay. 64-bit Java. Scroll down, look for main table, Java Platform Standard Edition, Cherry download button, appropriate download. Yeah, but I might have it wrong as well. I'm just trying to find out which one I even have. How do I know which one it is that I have? Which Java do I have? How do I find it out? Start run CMD Java version in the above screen. Okay, what do I need to do here? Terminal. In the terminal with the Java version. Okay. Oh no. CMD, please. Ugh. Java. What? Where's the freaking window? Java minus version. You're gonna tell me or what? Build client virtual machine. But it doesn't tell me how many bits it is. It just tells me mixed mode, sharing, virtual machine. But the virtual machine was complaining about minus D64. Instance does not support 64-bit JVM. I need this instance to support it, so we'll do that. Close that one. Java.com. Let's go here. Okay. Download. Version 8 update 144. See all. Windows. Okay, Windows offline 64-bit. Let's get this one then. That way I'm sure I'm getting the 64-bit. If you use 32-bit and 64-bit browsers interchangeably, you will need to install both 32-bit and 64-bit Java in order to have the Java plugin for both browsers. Interesting. Show in folder. Let's run this guy and see what will happen. Okay, destination, welcome Java. Java provides access to world amazing blah blah blah. Destination folder. Where does it go to? Java. Okay, we will see about the destination folder because I want to see what's in there at this moment. Let's open another window here. So the destination was what? Is showing program files Java. Program files Java. Where's Java here? No Java here. So I have the old one then. 32 bits. Yeah, it's here. For example, JRE 144, right? And this guy wants to get to program files instead of 86. Where's the so many windows? Okay, that's here. Program files 86 and regular program files is like that. Okay, let's put it there then. See what will happen. And which one will it choose when I run from the command prompt? how does it even work? Does it need to load up, or is it just external command? You successfully installed Java. Okay, close. Now let's have a look at the control panel. I should. What is the control panel thing anyway? Calculator, Cortana, control panel. Okay, what is that thing? What's the name of the app here? Properties, the properties of what? Can I easily get it? Just looks like you can type in control panel in anywhere. File Explorer. Yeah, it opens this way. Okay then. Let's see if Java is in this list now. With the other one. It is. And it's different, as you can see. I have the regular one and 64-bit one. Do I even need a regular one then? Maybe I don't. Let's uninstall it. I can always install it again, can't I? So therefore now it should, if I run Java, okay, where's the command prompt? Okay, Java -6064. It will not complain anymore. It will give me some options here. Yep, good, beautiful. Let's do that. Let's go back to the delete this installation file and patch file here, edit, change this to be 4 GB as I initially wanted. Give it also -D64 and save it. Will it run? It seems to. Yep, seems to have started in 64-bit mode now. So yeah, in 32-bit mode, the maximum amount of memory you can access is 4 GB. So I'm not sure even why was it complaining when I was trying to make it 2 GB. But maybe it added it together, like 2 + 2 or something. There's like 2 options. So yeah, let's see if that's gonna work. Because it really, the crash file didn't say anything about a mod crashing. It just said that it crashed, nothing else. Like plain simple crash. That was the last line. It didn't point to any mod. So yeah, let's see what will happen here. It's funny how the memory usage sometimes jumps, like for a split second it jumps to 500 and then back to 300. Like it's funny how it's moving like this and up and down. 92% free. Yeah, that's good. I have like 4 gigs given to it. So let's see what will happen here. More and big crash. Let's have a look at the log file this time. And the latest is this one here. What does it say about this? Server stopped. Where did it start stopping the server? Stopped event. Bar step, server stopped. Bar step. Stop. Okay, can't revert to it's the same thing, exactly same place. Can't revert to frozen game data state without freezing first. And it's FML forge mod loader / nothing. /nothing. The loader thing is not even there. Loader exception. Yep, loader exception is not even in the log file, so it even didn't get there. Can't revert to frozen game data state without freezing first. Let's see. What does the video say? Resource loader. So it has to have resource loader, at least resource loader somewhere in this text file here. It has resource loader. What does it say here? Examining for core mode. Okay, then what next? Resource loader does not have MC version annotation. Resource loader loaded one rules from access transformer debug. Okay, injecting core mode loading plugin, Lumion resource loader, loading plugin. Okay, resource loader, skipping known library file, found the candidate zip or jar. Okay. Potential modes. Model is not the same. Okay. Disabling mode resource loader. It is client side only. When resource loader is also contains opted to not load. Disabling mode resource loader. It is client side only. What? Okay, it goes back to the top. So it says here at some point it disabled the resource loader or something. I'm still looking at the same thing here, the frozen thing, whatever it was saying. Minecraft crash report. So maybe I should have a look at the crash report from Minecraft folder instead or something. It's nothing like this here. Normal resource loader. It's actually the Minecraft error. So where does it get the Minecraft errors from? Is this the app data thing? Or what? App data. I don't think it's local, it's roaming, right? Roaming, Minecraft, and nothing here, right? There is no error file here. Versions, nothing here. Launcher profiles, nothing here. So the Minecraft does save error files in the Minecraft game folder. downloads, install instances. Backups. Install assets, game library runtime. Launcher log. Tools, versions. I can't find this crash log file. Launcher log, maybe this one. Let's edit it with a thing. When was it created anyways? 1243. It can't be this one. Okay. Resource folder. Loader does not have implementation. Blah blah blah. It says the same thing here. Core modes. So what about I go to here, close this window. What about I go to the mods folder here and delete the resource loader from here? What will happen then? And put it here. Let's see what will happen. Resource loader. Minecraft resource loader server. Okay. Resource loader mod. Okay. How to install. Okay. I don't think it's gonna work without resource load. But yeah, I just want to see what sort of crash we get now. So let's put this resource loader back there. To the mods. And see logs here. Latest. What is the issue here? The last issue. Okay, server stopped. Exactly same place. Top bad ones, blah blah blah. Micron is part transmitter for public. I don't know. the Java I have now. Okay, so what is this thing? It's in the server download. EULA txt edit. EULA is true. Okay, maybe that's the problem. Let's start again. Because the EULA was true was necessary for the vanilla server to run. And in this folder the text file was incorrect, was false. So let's see. Where is this thing here? Revert to frozen, okay. We're not waiting first. Error, warn, error. And here, reload it. No. Close that. Well, let's see what will happen now. Okay. Okay, it's asking that. It didn't do that before. So maybe we are further than we were before, hopefully. Actually, it seems to go further this time. Not sure, but it seems to go further this time. Maybe this EULA thing was the thing that was not necessary to do. It's preparing spawn area. Man, I think it's further. I think it's further this time. It's too soon to cheer yet, but it's looking good. Loading scripts and things. So it's looking good. It's looking good. The music back on. Okay, let's see then. We have some ticks going on. So ticks are running. I think let's wait just a little bit. I think it's finished. Let's try and make a server. Actually, to enter a server. Multiplayer. It is here. Can click here. Join. Will it work? Come on. Come on. Man. In that way I can make my own servers. Okay, what is this thing? Iron gear. Acts like a gear. Okay. So we start the same test here. Let's try and find a tree. I'm not sure whether these trees will work. If it makes the regular thingy, then it does work. If I can use this for crafting table. You can, okay. What? Bolt core. What is this? Why did I get bolt core? So it seems there is something still not quite right, but at least it's doing things different now. It's not like completely blocking me from doing things, but it gave me a wrong thing here. Bolt core, Tinker's construct. So let's close, disconnect, and let's search for this one. Minecraft Forge server crafting wrong items. Okay. Mod loaded on the server. Well, command did you use to run it? I'm gonna close the server, and because I think there is an issue here that it's using. I'm gonna show you this file. Okay, shutting down server. Boom. Edit. It's the -T64. Makes it run in 64-bit version. If you have two versions of Java or something, I don't know. I did uninstall the other Java, and here this 4G gives 4 GB of memory. But what I think is happening now, it gave me the wrong recipe when I crafted it. It's because there is something going on. Let's go to Minecraft games. Minecraft instances, Age of Engineering, and take things from here, put in the server folder again. Like some other things are here now, ASM and all that, so maybe it needs more things. Okay, I will send you the command. Where is that thing? Launcher. Okay, that's the one. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do here. I think I can copy all the folders that I think I might need there into the server folder. Like advanced rocketry, maybe ASM. What is this? CC modular. Advanced rocketry ASM. backups? Wow. Game server. So this backup should be empty here. So I don't need backups really. Rocket 3 ASM. Mapping and modding tools. ID resolver. What is this thing? What does it do? Okay. Okay. But so cross-platform tool written in Java designed to find and fix micro ID conflicts. Believe that both normal users and super users will easily be able to utilize it. You can download blah 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 conflicts on your own. You'll have to do is select your configuration directory, click search for conflicts, manually resolve the conflicts using the handy list of conflicts the program provides. Conflicts automatically with literally 4 clicks buttons. Okay, let's get it then. Where is it? The latest version here. Let's get that ID resolver. I think there is an ID thing. Yeah, I was thinking maybe they are out of sync, their folders or something.
Click the button to download.
Come on.
And get started.
Seriously. What? No. Jesus Louises. Can you just send me this file? I think it's this one here, it's fine. Yeah, it's coming, it's coming. I know. You see how these people are? Ridiculous. It's ridiculous. And it's telling you to enable like a plugin in your browser. So in other words, it's open doors to put every kind of virus they ever wanted in your computer pretty much. So unsuspecting users will definitely screw the computer when using this page there. Jesus. Okay, let's close this window. Too many windows open. So command tags, close this one. What is this one? I'll keep this one open. No, I don't keep it open. Fine, that's done. Close this one. Watch server. Crafting wrong items. Okay. So where are the things? What do we have here? Server window. What is this one? This window. And this one is the download window. Okay. ID resolver. What? Are you serious?
Virgin Atlantic. Let it fly. Travel restrictions and T&Cs apply. Visit virginatlantic.com to book.
Ministry of Sound presents Dance Nation. Click to listen now.
Really? How did it open this page?
Brand new club tunes and massive dance floor anthems. All the tunes you need to know about.
Oh my god. So let's put it somewhere else. So this is the server one. Let's close this window. Server, new ID resolver. Put it here. Okay, how do we do that? Item IDs, unknown IDs, change directory, ID resolver. browse, config the directory. So let's say that we go to here, Minecraft, instances, Age of Engineering, and config. Okay, search for conflicts. 5 conflicts were found. Okay, what next then? Done. Just done. And now let's go and browse another one. Browse the server one as well. Games, server F, oh no, Minecraft, server F, and config, open, search for conflicts, 5 conflicts. Okay. Okay, so that should be done now. Now let's launch. Let's launch Minecraft. And I'll launch the server after that. I think it's gonna be too much to handle at once. And see if that's helped with the IDs. If not, then there should be any discrepancies really, because I copied the config folder before, didn't I? So yeah, nearly there. I also want to visit my sister. I'm thinking, ugh. As soon as I get it working, I'll go and visit my sister. And later on in the evening, probably tinker around with it a little bit. Okay, so this is good. Next we go to server and launch that guy. Go to server and copy the resources folder from Age of Engineering and paste it in server. Resources folder. So it's missing something. Minecraft server F KLMN. Okay, we go here, instances, Age of Engineering, resources, Age of Engineering, textures, buttons and things. I see. It's kind of like a resource pack or something. Okay, close that thing Do not run. Close it. Age of Engineering, my resources, server F, paste. It's there now. I'm stopping this thing. Trying to stop it, I don't know. It doesn't seem to stop very easily. I think it's gonna load up and then it's gonna send a stop command. Did it stop now? I think it stopped. Finally. So let's run it again. See if that helped. It might have helped actually. Because it looks like, you know, the other folders nowadays. Not only the mods and config. I'm trying to make a server. Coke. Trying to make a server. So I can invite other people to play Minecraft together. We'll see how that works. It's quite exciting to set it up. Do 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 do. Yeah, it's not that hard actually. It's just it's already almost done. It's almost done. It's like I got it running, and you know, I joined my own server. I haven't opened it up yet, but and I could craft a modded item there. It just was showing me a wrong picture. Like I made a Tinker's crafting table, and instead it gave me like some sort of Tinker's rod or something, some tool rod or something. Yeah, port forward, and that's it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you know, okay, how are we doing? How are we doing? No ticks yet. It has to. It has to show me the ticks there. Okay, average ticks. Now it's showing average ticks. So there is. I think then it's mostly ready when it's showing ticks already. Okay, I think it's done loading because this average is average, so it doesn't immediately show correct number. Okay, multiplayer pinging is good now. Let's see if it's gonna show me the right things this time. Did this resources help or not? Okay. Oh, whoa! Oh, go! I think it's working. I think it's working. I'm quite. I think it's working because I used to have some cog wheel in the first slot, and now it's the Tinker's book. Okay. Yes, and put it down here. Boom. And it's a crafting table. You can craft things. Yes. Okay then. Next. Disconnect and let me see how this port forwarding works. Bum, bum, bum. I'm showing only Minecraft this time, and I'm actually showing everything. So switch it to Minecraft and see what we can do. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, looking at this port forwarding page right now. I'm not sure whether I need to have static IP or whether it will use the names, IP address, create a new rule. The function allows for incoming requests on specific port numbers to reach web servers, FTP servers, and the mail addresses and so forth. Create a new rule. Local IP, protocol, TCP, enabled. So I actually have to give my computer a static IP address and make sure that this DHCP is not doing that. I don't know, man. So what do we have here? Modem modes, DHCP. I noticed you made some changes to the port forwarding. Leaving the page without saving them will result in losing your settings. Ignore and continue. Okay, starting address, local address is 10. Okay. Let's see. Connected devices. Connected devices. Can I put something that is less than 10? So that wouldn't conflict. Okay, see you later. Take care. I'll be back later on, like in a few hours. But first I wanna set this forwarding up, I think. Or maybe not. Let's see if it takes long time. But yeah, later on in the evening, should be all good. So I should put static IP that is like under 10 and it should all work. The stream will disconnect when I do that though. I'll be back like I'm in London, so time for me is 2:26 right now. I want to go and visit my sister, and later on, like 7, 8 in the evening, I think. Maybe 5 p.m. I don't know. I'll come back and then try to get this port forwarding going. I don't know. I'm trying to see connected devices here. It's not showing because I don't know which IP addresses are taken and which are not. Maybe I'll just choose an address and see if it conflicts or not. I tried to do that. Let's do that. What will happen is I will lose. I have to actually close the stream to do that. It will stop streaming. So I guess I will stop streaming now then, and you know, once I've figured all things out, then I'll be back later on. So yeah, I'll do that because anyway I'm about to stop streaming right now, so should be good.
The end of summer. Nights drawing in. Everything's becoming dull.